Hello everyone, so today we have Wet n Wild one brand makeup tutorial and I'm using all Wet n Wild products for this makeup and let's get started. So first things first, I'm using this primer. It's a dewy primer and you can see it has golden sheen into this and it just glided on my skin very smoothly, you guys, and you can see how it is making my skin glow and dewy at the same time. And yeah, it just glided very smoothly. Then next up, I'm using this foundation from Wet n Wild. It's a photo focus foundation and I'm using this flat brush from the Wet n Wild itself. So I'm just going to apply it and then I'm using this brush to blend my foundation. And I must say this brush literally works amazing because I never use brush for my base, and this is like first time I'm using brush and I really loved how this blended my foundation and it did not leave that streaky lines on my face, you guys. So yeah, it just blended very neatly and then I did went ahead with a beauty blender on top so that it gives you that airbrush finish. So next up I'm using this eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna use that same spoolie to brush off my eyebrows and then I'll be marking my eyebrows first and then I'll be filling my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna make sure I use other spoolie so that I'll remove the excess, and you can see how natural the eyebrows looks when you remove the excess, brush off the excess. Then next up I'm using this concealer, so I'll be applying it all over my eyelids till the brow bone, and then I'm going to blend it with the same foundation brush. Then I'm going to set it with this powder. Then here comes the exciting part. I'm using this Rose in the Air palette. So I'm gonna take this transition shade all over my eyelids, like on the crease line. And this helps me to blend all the other eyeshadows which I'll be using next. So once I'm done blending the eyeshadow, I'm going to use that deep burgundy shade on my crease. I'm just going to place it outer corner and then I'll be dragging it inwards like this. So you can see I have placed it down the transition color so that it helps me to blend both the colors together. So yeah, I'm just going to blend nicely, and I'll just flick my eyeshadow like that. I'm not going to flick it like very crazily. So yeah, once I'm done with that, I'm placing that mauve pink color on the outer corner and inner corner like this, leaving the middle part, and then I'll be blending all the eyeshadows nicely. Then I'm using this golden eyeshadow for my middle part, so I'm just going to apply it on the center of my eyelids so that it looks so pretty when I blink. And yeah, I did apply it only the center part and then made sure all the eyeshadows are blended nicely. Then I'm using concealer for all the highest points and to hide the dark circle and blemishes. Then I did set my face with the same powder which I used earlier from the contour palette. Then going back, I'm using these two eyeshadows for my waterline as well. So I'm just going to smudge both the eyeshadows like this. Then I'll be applying this a nude pencil for my waterline so that it helps my eyes to open up and looks more bright. Then I'm curling my lashes and using this mascara. So I'll be coating my upper and lower lashes with the same mascara. And I must say this mascara is really not good, you guys. Only thing I did not like in this Wet n Wild collection is this mascara, that's all. Then going back, I'm contouring my face with the same contour palette which I used earlier to powder my face. So I'll be contouring my usual areas, jawline, nose, everywhere. Then next up I'm using this blush. It's a ombre blush and it's not that pigmented, guys, so it just have little sheen into it, so it has a subtle highlighting effect. Moving on, I'm using this highlighter, so I'm super duper excited for this highlighter because it's amazing highlighter, you guys. It gives you that glow within kind of a thing. You can see it does not have that chunky glitters into it. It's so subtle and it looks so natural, you guys. So I just highlighted my highest points with the highlighter, and then I'm setting my face with this setting spray and made sure it's all blended nicely. Then I used this liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Give Me Mocha, and we are done with this makeup look, you guys. I was super duper excited for this makeup look because I'm doing makeup tutorial like after ages, I believe. So yeah, with that, I'll finish this video. I really hope this video was helpful in some or the other way. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, bell button, everything. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.